Okay, guys, so I know it's kind of close. It's a lot going on over here. So I just got literally just got off the plane, and now we packaging orders because we got 3 orders to ship. I'm so grateful. And yeah, so after I do this, I need to, I guess, edit, probably watch a movie, maybe edit, do some homework. And I don't want to be stressed over tomorrow because tomorrow must be a really busy day for me. I told you guys at the airport that I'm having car problems. So tomorrow morning, I need to fix that. So I'm getting better at folding these. Usually it takes me a long time to get this down. I'm looking at that. To charge the computer. That's a lot I need to do. I want some water too. I am so grateful about orders. Like, I'm so amazed how the business is growing. So amazed. So amazed. 1 second. So these 2 are ready. Now let's do the big one. Oh, actually, you hold these. Thank you. Alright, so someone placed an order for our sister's tote. This is actually the last one, right? Why do you look sad?
Yeah, I know we're gonna get some more orders. I need about 20 more.
Oh Lord, oh Lord.
Juneteenth, we won't have time to order for Juneteenth.
And everybody gets a thank you. Cute little package. Alright, I'm just taking the air out. Alright, let me see all the orders. All the orders are ready. I'm so excited. So, like I said, we'll probably edit some videos, relax, and then I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow. I do have to say this. Look how they spelled my name. I don't know who that is, but it's okay. Good morning. I don't know if I like this angle. Okay. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday. I have class. It is 8:30 in the morning. So I'm about to just eat my double smoked. You guys know my routine. You guys can see. Double smoked, and I got Shabba aside. So. Did I get napkins? I hope I did. Okay. Oh, it's messy. Yeah. Okay. So good. Okay. So I still have not finished editing. Now let me wait till the plane leave. So I still have not edited Alana's vlog. I have like 2 more videos. I have like 2 more videos to do, right? Yeah, I don't have enough content. I just realized it. But it's fine. So I just uploaded. Well, I'm uploading one right now. It's scheduled to upload today. Yeah, it's gonna be part 1, which is the airport. Oh, I'm tired. After work last night, I hurried to submitted a homework assignment that was due at midnight. And then I edited some more and then I ended up falling asleep. But I am tired, guys. Okay. I just got a text message. Okay, let me explain what happened. Yesterday in the morning, well, before I left to Atlanta, my car wouldn't start. And it was the battery, of course, because the radio and stuff wasn't coming on, right? I couldn't take care of it until yesterday morning. And mind you, I don't have nobody to give me a jump. So I had to pay for a jump, right? Now, the guy who gave me a jump, he was like, if you give me $215 today in cash, I can get you a battery and I'll replace it right now. And I was like, and I was about to do it, but I was like, yeah, sure. But before I even sat there and thought it out to myself, and then I had to talk to my mom, and she was like, wait, what? You know, mind you, I don't know anything about cars. So basically, I didn't go with him, right? So he just gave me the jump. And then I went to Pet Boys, and then I paid for the battery, and they fixed it. It came into like $180. So I'm like, he got to take advantage of me, or he's trying to hustle me. He almost got it. And that's another thing, or another red flag is when they ask for cash. Like, why do I have to pay in cash? You know, I don't like that. But anyway, my car battery is fixed, and it, yeah, life goes on. But my battery, that was kind of my fault. I should have known it was time for a new battery. My car is about almost like 3 years old now. Yeah, about time for a battery. So this part is so hard. Yeah, too hard. Okay. This is really sweet. All right, so I need to promote something. Let me see what I can do. And then somebody said I need to, wait, hold on, guys. Let me see. I'm trying to see what time. 12 o'clock. That's what time I put the video to upload. I wonder if I should do it sooner. Ooh, who's this? Oh, the lighting is good right here. Okay, so I was just editing all editing. Oh my god. I was just promoting. Okay, so let's start over. Okay, so I was just promoting the new vlog I just uploaded right now, which is part 1 to the travel vlog, which is just like an airport, taking a tour of the Airbnb, turning up, making, you know, having games, playing games and stuff like that at the Airbnb. So now it's officially time to go to class. I have about, what, 15 minutes to get to class, so yeah. Ooh. All right, so yeah, let's go.